Uniformity is not our friend for this style. Hi, I'm Nikki Nelms, celebrity hairstylist. I'm here with Refinery29, and today I'm gonna show you how to give a little more texture and bluntness to your bob. Before you see my hair transformation, subscribe below. I've always had a passion for hair. It started in the maybe 5th or 6th grade. I feel the same way today that I felt then, and I'm super blessed to have been able to work with and still work with some of the most amazing clients ever. I'm super appreciative. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna just go through it with a flat iron and add like all this random texture. During quarantine, I started an Instagram live called Walk-In Wednesday. I just wanted blunt, you know, blunt and short. And it was just something that I wanted to do because I was getting a lot of calls from clients. It was super fun, and it was something that people look forward to and I look forward to, and they got a lot of help from it, and I was happy to be able to get people out of the rut of not being able to see their stylist. I chose to curl it because I like how the ends look after cutting a curl. Because I've worked with some amazing clients, I've also gotten the opportunity to produce some amazing looks, and some of my favorite have been Zoe Kravitz's Pixie. I love Janelle's cut for the Oscars as well. I love Journey's new cut, super cute and rocker, chic. Because my hair has been so dry lately, I've been using products that focus on replenishing its moisture. So I've been using Maui Moisture's Awapui shampoo and conditioner. It's so good. The main ingredients are aloe and coconut water. You know, that's the formula for hydration, and I know I need it. Also, if you need a nice oil, they have a nice weightless oil mist, and I usually use that for like a little once over, or I'll make a cocktail with the conditioner. Now it's all done. I'll just use a little once over shine. I'm really in love with my little transformation haircut. She cute, she cute, she cute, she cute, she cute. It's so cool because you can just live in it. It doesn't need a lot of attention or fuss. Like, the bigger it is, the better it is. Put a red lip and a hoop on and I'll be good to go. I love it. I'm happy. I'm glad I could do it with you guys. Just cut and strut. I just made that up. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.